guys, been a long time since I've been on, but back on again. We are working on this beauty. Just painted her in the middle of cutting and buffing. So all the stripes are actually painted on, they're not vinyl. That one should be ready in a couple more weeks, or a couple more days actually. This one we're in the middle of doing body work on. It wasn't a bad car when it came in, but once we stripped it down to the bare metal, it looked like somebody beat it up with a bag of potatoes. A lot of little dents everywhere, which are the hardest ones to get out. That's what we got going here right now. We're going to be working on these two beauties soon, along with these here. That is Joe's car. This one is mine. This one is going to be for sale once we get the body work finished. And we're going to be doing this rusty mess, but it's got to be a nice looking. It's a 48 Ford F1. It'll be up for sale as soon as we get it up and running. That's what we got going right now. That 48 is going to be done little by little on the channel. And we just picked up another project, a 64 Nova. It is surprisingly, aside from one spot here, this spot and this one, it surprisingly is not in bad shape. I'm actually very surprised that it's not in bad shape. But it will be in perfect shape when we get done with it. We're not sure what color we're going with it yet. That's all going to be determined soon. Alright guys, you keep watching and we'll show you what we got.